What we have here is a radial lead trimmer. So it's for trimming the leads on these radial components. Pretty simple operation. It's got a quick disconnect there with a pressure regulator, so you can adjust your pressure. It'll work way down, but I've got it set right there. Then we got a little lever to actuate it. So we go chunk, chunk. I like my sound effect, chunk chunk. So you take your leads, and you can do one at a time if you want. Just pick any hole will work. You see that number, and cut it right to solder length. Now you can put a bunch of them in there if you want. So you gotta get them in the right holes. Now you can do like bigger stuff, you know, and say the wider stuff, you'll go over a couple holes. So it's kind of universal. Pick whatever hole your width is, and good to go. And there you have it, perfectly trimmed leads. Like I said, I'm running it on 38 psi. We can turn it down to say 20 psi, and we'll put a few more in there and see how it does. See, it didn't want to cut that low of psi, so you just turn it up. Let's see if she cuts at 30. Okay, she cut at 30. So about 30 is the minimum for these little leads. And the stronger and harder the leads, the more leads you put in it, you just up your pressure to be able to cut it. So, that's it.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.